Hi, today I'm part of me DOOGEE X95 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first, to get the Ampere app, we should open the Play Store application and in the search pool, we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and just let's wait a couple of seconds. So then just open the application, click yes, I agree, be close, okay. And then we can see here information about battery temperature. We can see that it's 84 degrees, and also we can find here more information like the battery health, level, capacity, voltage, model, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.